Velux is a global company manufacturing and selling roof windows. We actually refer to as selling lights and fresh air through the roof. And when you work in Velux, you don't sell a roof window, you are like a daylight engineer. That's what we call us.
Velux is 75 years old this year. It's a Danish company, and I think the ambience and the philosophy that you are referring to is probably an inherent value within our company.
We are manufacturing in 11 countries around the world. We have sales companies in over 40 countries around the world. We are a market leader, and we have been since the beginning. The reason for it, in my opinion, is the quality and the nature of the product. It simply makes the life quality much better in a house.
Yeah, we are a global company, and with a global company we need to have global support, and we need to have a very good software that can help us to support our business around the world.
Easiness of working with Business One and then combining the data from Business One with SAP ECC data into one corporate standard management reporting.
It's really important for us to have a good software that can help us in our operations and our business, which we can use to actually serve our customers in a good way, deliver our goods and roof windows. So that's one of the most important things, that it's stable and it's good and easy to use. B1 Solutions, they had not just the right skills or the right people, they also had the right ideas, the right visions that also what we call it, connected to how we think we should work with high standards, high quality.
We had B1 Solutions helping us installing the Business One platform, yes. And we've worked with some BI consultants locally here in Denmark to set up the reporting environment.
I'm very confident that the growth strategy that we have in Velux is supported very well with the use of SAP Business One, especially in the partnership we have with B1 Solutions.